Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to export Figma designs to Wix Studio. So let's get started. So first of all, open up your Figma design and make sure that your design is created with frames and auto layouts. If everything is right, go and install the Figma to Wix Studio plugin. Now right click and go into plugins and now click on Figma to Wix Studio. Now just set up the export. So first of all, you have to go to share and copy the link. Now go to Wix Studio and log into your account. Once logged in, on the left hand side you'll see three icons. Click on it. Now go to tools and go into import with Figma. Here just paste the link and click on connect. Now go back to Figma and in the plugin just follow the steps and first of all go into export the styles. So just select the frame and check the colors and the typography. So just make sure that all the colors and typography are matched properly and click on export style. Now on the left just click on refresh import and you'll see it over here. Now just click on apply slide to styles. Now go back to Figma and once go back into the plugin and now click on export frame. Now select the frame and click on export. Now go back to Figma and click on refresh imports and you'll see it over here. Now make sure that the width of the file matches correctly. So on the top middle you'll see the size, make sure to adjust it accordingly. Now just add the frame as a new page. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.